Hi, my name is Maria Paula Avila, and this is my stop motion video on mitosis, the cell cycle. Mitosis is the process of cell division. This process starts with interphase. This is the longest period of the cell cycle. In interphase, the nuclear envelope, chromosomes, and centrioles all start to appear. G1, S phase, and G2 are all part of the interphase, helping the cell prepare to start the division process. In G1, the cell grows and makes new organelles. In S phase, the cell replicates DNA, and in G2, the cell prepares for cell division. The next process of the cell cycle is called prophase. In prophase, the nucleus starts to condense and the nuclear envelope disappears. The chromosomes turn into sister chromatids, which are held together in the center by a centromere. The spindle fiber starts to form and expand towards to the chromosomes. The next process of the cell cycle is called metaphase. In this process of cell division, the chromosomes align to the middle of the cell, or the cell's equator, and the spindle fibers stretch to connect to the centromeres in the middle of the chromosome. The next step of mitosis is anaphase. In anaphase, the sister chromatids split into two halves and are pulled to the opposite sides of the cell by the spindle fibers that are attached to the centromeres. The next step is telophase. This is when the cell is almost ready to split into two. During this stage, the chromosomes turn back into strands of DNA and the spindle fibers disappear. Here is where the nuclear envelope and the nucleus start to form again. Cytokinesis is the final step of the cell cycle where the cell finally splits into two new cells. The cytoplasm divides and makes two new daughter cells, and this finishes the cell cycle.